Test your grammar skills with these 10 common mistake questions. Question 1. She is good. A. At, B. In, or C. On. The answer is A. At. The correct collocation is he good at. Question 2. I prefer tea. A. Than, B. To, or C. Over. The answer is B. To. The correct structure is prefer A to B. Question 3. He insisted. A. On, B. To, or C. For. The answer is A. On. Insist on must be followed by a gerund. Question 4. She is married. A. With, B. To, or C. By. The answer is B. To. The correct phrase is he married to. Question 5. I am interested. A. In, B. On, or C. At. The answer is A. In. The correct collocation is an interested in. Question 6. She is afraid. A. Of, B. With, or C. By. The answer is A. Of. The correct phrase is afraid of. Question 7. He congratulated me. A. For, B. On, or C. About. The answer is B. On. The correct phrase is congratulate on. Question 8. I am not used. A. To get, B. To getting, or C. Get. The answer is B. To getting. Be used to must be followed by a gerund. Question 9. She is responsible. A. For, B. To, or C. With. The answer is A. For. The correct phrase is responsible for. Question 10. He apologized. A. For, B. About, or C. On. The answer is A. For. The correct phrase is apologize for. Excellent job! You have finished all 10 questions. Don't forget to like this video, share your score in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more daily English challenges. See you in the next lesson.